This box opening will not be a toy box opening, although I guess maybe it might be interpreted the same, and did not come with the Gear Challenge or the Voodoo Lounge stickers, but thought we'd put them there just for placement purposes, if you know what I mean. Already zipped this one open with the razor, but have not quite gotten into it, again, if you know what I mean, and as evidenced by the box being upside down on opening. Death Wish sticker, as is usual and customary, pretty much goes with the Gear Challenge sticker or the Voodoo Lounge sticker. And I think what we'll do is just get right to this. This will be, or should be, relatively short in duration. And bingada, as evidenced by this very elegant box set. This is a box set that was sent to us, and it is referred to as the Big Bundle. This will have some Death Wish coffee, some Valhalla Java, and Barrel Brand, apparently an aged version. Looks like 2013 they began to experiment, as a few of us have, with ways to fuse passion of coffee with the love of high quality spirits. So it looks like this has been aged with something else, probably in a whiskey or another spirited aging cask. Looks like, not saying specifically what liquor was used or what origin the cask may have been from. Of course, we're already familiar with the Death Wish coffee, and we're already pretty familiar with Valhalla. So, again, let's get right to it. Really given some attention to detail with securing this box in a gift type setting. So, contained within, Valhalla Java, whole coffee beans, of course, a heavy duty ceramic mug of Valhalla Java logo, made in the USA by ceramicsource.com. Looks like that may be the manufacturer. Nice heavy duty mug, unequally sized. Looks like all these are about the same size. Death Wish mug, heavy ceramic, made in the USA again. Nothing unusual or surprising on the inside. And similarly sized mug for aged barrel beans. Not sure if these have been aged since 2013 or not. It just says that they have begun experimenting in 2013 on the beans themselves. So, this one was aged with bourbon. Nice choice. Okay, so it will be dependent, either aged with bourbon, aged with whiskey, or aged with rum. And in this case, great choice for the bourbon aging. I'm going to imagine that either I've missed out on any other spirits that have been used, or containers that have aged spirits and then consequently aged the coffee beans, or we are still waiting for the whiskey and rum version to be released at some future time. So, a great sampling set, gift to ourselves, you might say, and it does look like all of the mugs are about the same size. Heavy duty ceramic, made in the USA, so no, or relatively no risk of hazmat, etc. Looking forward to sampling these out. Thank you.